Do you wake up every morning with that deep, dull ache in your lower back? Before you even get out of bed, your back already feels stiff and heavy. You do not have to start your day that way. These 4 gentle bed yoga movements take just a few minutes and can make a world of difference. You do not even need to get up to begin. Movement 1 is called the knees to chest hug. An elderly woman lying on her back in bed slowly brings both knees up toward her chest. She wraps her hands gently around her knees and pulls them in close, feeling a soft, warm stretch through her lower back. She holds this position and breathes deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. A senior woman smiling while lying in bed with her knees hugged shows how comforting this feels. Hold for 5 slow breaths, then gently release. This simple movement decompresses the lower spine beautifully. Movement 2 is the gentle knee rock. An old man lying on his back in bed bends both knees, keeping his feet flat on the mattress. He slowly lets both knees fall together to the right side, holds for 3 breaths, then brings them back to center. Then he lets them fall gently to the left. A senior man doing this slow rocking motion in peaceful morning light shows how easy and relaxing it truly is. Only go as far as comfortable. This movement releases tension deep in the lower back and hips. Movement 3 is the supine cat stretch. A senior woman lying flat on her back bends her knees and places her feet flat on the bed. She gently presses her lower back down into the mattress, flattening the curve of her spine. She holds for 3 seconds, then releases and lets the natural arch return. An elderly woman doing this subtle movement shows how small actions create big relief. Repeat this 10 times slowly. Breathe out as you press down, breathe in as you release. This reawakens the muscles that support your spine all day long. Movement 4 is a mindful wake-up ritual. An old woman lying in bed with her eyes gently open takes 3 long, slow deep breaths before sitting up. She rolls slowly onto her side first, then uses her arms to gently push herself up to a seated position at the edge of the bed. A senior woman sitting on the edge of the bed in warm morning sunlight, placing her feet on the floor, shows the right way to rise without straining. Never jerk yourself upright. This gentle transition protects your back every single morning. You have just given your back the most loving start possible today. A senior couple walking slowly together in soft morning light shows what daily gentle care can bring over time. Your body is strong and worth caring for. These small moments of kindness add up. Keep moving, keep breathing, and be proud of yourself. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.